You eat to live, but in Eastern medicine, you eat to restore balance. Every food carries energy, cool or warm, moving or grounding. Too much yin and your digestion slows. Too much yang and your mind overheats. A cold smoothie might weaken your core. A spicy meal might stir your heart too much. It's not just about calories or nutrients, it's about harmony. The real question isn't, is this food healthy? It's, is this food right for my energy right now? Because when yin and yang are balanced, the body heals, the mind clears, the spirit returns.